I build it backwards.
Do you need to have a break for a second?
Back. All right, it's New Year's Day, right, Land?
Yeah.
What did we do last night?
Played games.
Played some games. I almost won Clue, then I got hosed at the end. Today's project is this. We're gonna cut all these unnecessary brackets and pieces off. We're gonna get the truss put on it, and then we're gonna get it put in that thing that we stretched yesterday. See if we can't get the 4-link all put in it and working, and another piece of the puzzle will be down. So we'll carry on. Pretty much Christmas whoppers. They're heavy. Oh. Well, there she is. All right. Get some air and we'll do it. Little cleanup work, and we'll get a truss over here. Okay, should be able to grind it now. One down. Do a little cleaning. Well, we're about ready for a truss. Get close. Now it's time for a little TMR truss action. Boxes here. Hope it fits. Yeah. We just burnt the box. Cool. Then we'll get this front part put on, then we'll figure that breather out before we weld it down. TMR. Set that up there. And that goes just like that. Just on there. So we gotta weld that together, which we can do. Then that is gonna bolt on there. And then this, I assume, goes to there, like that. That's welded together. We'll bolt that on real quick. That one ain't been out for a minute. It ought to mount flat now. Now I should be able to bolt this other thing to that thing. Then we should be able to figure this out, right?
There goes your washer.
I got it back. I'm on it. Get this done, then we'll have to deal with that breather real quick. I think it's time to deal with the breather. We'll weld it down. Cut this off. Get it out of there. Alright, that should come out, then we should be ready to do this. Yeah, I think we're close to winning. We're gonna put some clamps on it, clamp it down, tap it all a little bit, and we can go to welding. all we got left is that finally, after a lot of welding, it seemed like we're about done. Done. Now it can cool off. A lot of welding. Roll it. Let's turn it over so we don't have to deal with all the 90 weight. Trying to figure out where we want to go with links and how and all that kind of stuff. Like we're gonna have a little longer links on the back, because that actually looks fairly level.
Not too dang bad.
It's a little bit low. I'll bet it has to come up an inch. Your oars are gonna have a little bit of room. I still think we'll notch the side and set it back in there. That's 112. 112 is about what it's gonna get.
Yeah.
Then your overall ride height will be 4 inches higher than that.
Yeah. We have to there, then we'll probably, farm.
Yeah, they probably will. That looks fairly close to level right there. So that is where we need to set full squish up. Grandma Lolly's ditch won't work for this one.
Yeah, it's not deep enough.
Nope, not gonna
have
cut
to put
it.
some blocks up there.
Check that out. Dude, that's awesome.
We'll have to do a little something else to get it flex clear out. Okay, I guess I'll start manufacturing some mounts.
They got to use that machine over there, so they got to get all this plunder out of the road.
Yeah, I was gonna go throw it in. This roll cage was in bad shape.
Let's get the door out there too.
Links built. Get that thing setting on its own weight.
Are those spider nests
What?
right here? Ew. Think there's anything in it?
Cut out.
That's torque converter.
All right, well that looks much better. How's your arm feeling today?
It's there.
Does it hurt really bad?
No.
Oh, that's good.
It should be hard to find. It's in a box.
We'll just suck up.
That.
Yeah. Oops.
This is basically the same thing you did for the front, right?
Exactly the same. I think I ruined this anyways. I built it backwards.
Do you need to have a break for a second?
It's perfect other than it's backwards.
Out the back.
So this is what it was supposed to look like with this on top, short side on top, so that it fits right down in here like so. It's still not fitting properly. I'm gonna have to do a little shortening on that side. Oh, Betsy! Oh, Betsy! Well, I got the good out of her. She's done, folks.
That's the end of it, huh?
Yeah, that bit has met its maker today.
So what are you reverting to?
The plasma cutter. She never lets me down.
That didn't take long.
Something like that. Go build another one just like that one. Do a little test fit. It's beautiful. Beautiful enough. Okay, we want right-handers.
You know how to tell a left? Do you want me to show you
This
how?
one over here, this is the hand I put on my heart, so that's right.
Do you want me to tell you how? Let me tell you how. None of those are left.
No, these are rights, that's why I grabbed them.
This is a left, and this is a left, and this is a left, and that's a left.
You're gonna be doing this by yourself.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, he's getting her down.
Dang, it's all but there. Good thing it's a grade 8. That'll work. I'll build the other one.
We got the bolts going the right way, so when we get them welded on, they'll come off.
Yeah, this one goes on this side. That one goes on that side. Perfection. Now we just gotta get these ones that I already manufactured over here
The other one.
and put these left-handers in it. Your mom already told us, we know these are left. Just like that. Okay. Now we're ready to figure out links. Hold that right there. Basically, I need a 33-inch piece of pipe. Got my 33. We'll put them together. It's a little snowy. One side. Well, once again, we didn't get as much done as we wanted to get done, but I'm done. So, rear end's all welded up. We got the link bars, the bottom ones are built, all the brackets are built. We just got to put them in and line it up. Another day.